Welcome back to Pivot in Faith. So we're now onto our fruit orchard, our fruit trees, to show you guys what is growing here at the end of May. So let us show you what all we have growing in our fruit orchard. So let's go. Over here is our fig trees. We have 4, but it looks like 3 out of 4 are going to make it through. We may or may not buy the 4th variety that died in the cold snap. But from last year, well, up there were olive trees and they did not make it in that cold snap. So we have got a replacement from Stark Brothers. So we're gonna do them in pots and see what happens before we bring them outside. But here is one we thought died from last year. And to our surprise, we scratched and we had figs coming, but oh well, it's sent up 2 new shrubs, so we're gonna know how to care for it. Hopefully we don't have that different kind of weather next year. But then we come to this fig tree. This is new as of this year, and we preserved it through the cold snap. This one is showing no signs of coming back, so we believe we lost this one, even though it showed promising signs. We scratched and nothing is there. I said let me go back to this one. So I think this is the one that was growing a lot from the top, but we cut it back because of the cold snap, and now it's sending back out leaves at the top. And these I think it was only like 1 or 2 down here. So let's see if we're able to get figs so I can dry some figs and have some fig Newtons. We shall see. And this is our 4th fig tree, which looks like it died. I'm gonna have to come and cut that off. Oh yeah, still green there. So just come and clip that off so we don't have to deal with the deadness. I don't have my clippers with me, otherwise I would have done it now. So over here is a mix of Asian pears, regular pears, and I believe 1 apple tree. So anyone you see with some wood chips around it is from last year over here. And this one finally grew branches this year. It took a while to get rooted and stayed. We had to stake it because the wind was about to take it down. This one was the first pear tree we put down. That one over there is a new one. Finally budded, as you can see. Then we have this pear tree here. And then down to this Asian pear tree we have here next to our tomato patch. This is an apple tree that died, didn't make it, we believe we're dead. Well, I don't think it was dead on arrival, but it just didn't take root, didn't do so well. But this apple tree did do well and finally took root. So, oh, I can't even say off to the apple part because the apple got 1 Asian pear in it. So this is the first apple tree we put down, and this is what it is looking like this far. Of course, we're gonna get them lower branches in the dormant season. In that second row there, that tree didn't come. That's a Liberty apple, didn't come, and that one didn't come. But these 4 are from last year. This is the only organic apple we have in our orchard. Finally budded, growing leaves. This is one you saw had blossoms on it. We don't know if the cold snap took those, so will we have apple this year? Maybe not. As you see that cedar rust on our trees, but we're gonna working on getting the soil healthy so we don't have those issues. And this tree is don't look so bad now. It's growing more leaves and branches. This is a new tree here that will have watermelon growing around it when they come and vine down. This is our green apple. Our yellow apple didn't make it. One of those dead ones there. This is an Asian pear here that will be next to the cucumber bed and the tomatoes back there. And then we have an apple tree here that took well. It's in our new method. And these are the 3 I showed you that were dead. I don't know if we're going to replace them. Maybe so, because we already made the hole for it. But we shall see what happens. Now, off to the other part of the fruit orchard. All right, on to the part of our orchard, or fruit orchard. We have peaches and pomegranate trees here. We have 2 pomegranates and peach tree there. I know you see our potatoes growing amongst them, peach trees, and our pomegranate tree here. That's 1. This is number 2 we planted. We always try to give our trees a mate, our partner. That is the first pomegranate tree we put down. And then we have, those are newer peach trees, but this one is not new. This has been with us since last year. This one been with us since last year. And then remember we asked you guys, are those peaches? Came on these 2, really the one in the back, but has grown significantly since that video. And thank God for the rain, because we needed it. As you see, while we pray for rain, there's a lot to water here, especially the fruit trees. And this one has grown super tall, and this is the one that had about 30 peaches on it, but they all came down with those different cold snaps, fall, spring. So no peaches for this year, but the roots are still quietly growing. It may not seem like nothing is happening, but the roots are growing and doing their job. So, and then trying to find what number 2, but we have 2 pawpaw trees as of this year. They came out of grafts, and it looks like one had died. I missed it, it's behind us, but I'll show you this one. And this is the one that survived. So we have more potatoes down here and some beans. Don't look like the beans did too well down here. Now off to our cherry orchard part. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cherry trees here. We have 1 sour cherry. We have the one we normally see in the store, and then I have some other ones new. This is a new cherry tree. It's done a great job. Need to get those dead branches off, but it's leaning. This one bushed out a lot, so very happy for this cherry tree. Don't think we're getting any cherries this year. Not sure how cherry grows as of yet, but and it's next to our asparagus. You will see a video in the future of us expanding this, because we have asparagus to put down, but haven't got around to that. And cherry tree. Finally got a branch on this one and on this one. So off to our plum section. So this is our plum section. We have some hybrid plums, and we have some regular plums. We're gonna, you see that one? This one been here since last year. It's gotten pretty tall. And the one next to it. This one grows different. It's the only one on the orchard that has burgundy leaves. So this one haven't sprouted yet, leaf yet, but it's still showing signs of life, we believe. So we shall see. This section is across from our peach and pomegranates. Have to get that leaf off. So seem to be taking root. We finally got to level this. Now we got to come and mulch the trees. This one we still waiting on. It looks like it's still alive. I want to get to the top of the hill to show you that orchard area. Plums, cherries, asparagus in the back, peaches, pomegranate, and potatoes. Now to our last part of our orchard, fruit tree tour today. We have our nectarines And we have our apricots. I didn't think I liked apricots till I went to Holland's farm and picked some. And I said, yep, you know what? I should grow those. I like them dried too. So these two, this is a new one. Doing pretty good for year one. Came as a little stem, not that tall, so we'll take it. This one is from last year. Had a few blossoms, but with cold snap, they're gone, which is fine. Thicker root, thicker trunk, we'll take it. This one also from last year. So next to those blueberries there, but we have, I want to come to the top. They show you the top of the orchard here with the nectarines. This is a new one here. This is the very first fruit tree we put down, self-fertile. Had some blossoms on one stem, but with that cold snap, they died back. That one is a new tree. That one is an older one. This is a white nectarine. We're looking forward to some white nectarines. That is an older one, smaller. So we have 4 apricots. Alrighty, as you guys stick around on this journey with us as we transform our land and mulch our trees and bushes and roots. That is all for the garden tour for today. We hope you stick around with us. Comment below if you're growing any of these trees. Let us know. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. God bless.